Here we have the part whole model, and we have our whole number here, which is 45. Now, if we were to partition that into two, we would look at how many tens and how many ones. We've got 4 tens and 5 ones. There's the 5 ones. Then we've got 4 tens. And if we partition those, we have the 5 ones and 4 tens. 4 tens is 40. And we have 5 ones. Now, sometimes you'll have to make the same number using two different numbers. So, if we have 45 again, we have 5 ones and 4 tens. Now, when we change this around, we're not going to put 4 tens here and 5 ones here. We don't need to add any more tens and ones, we don't need to take any away. We simply use what we've got and move them around. So, for example, I can move the 5 ones there. I can move a 10 over here, and then I've got 3 tens left. So that means that on this side I've got 3 tens, which is 30, and on this side I've got 1 10 and 5 ones, which is 15. 15. So 30 add 15 equals 45. Next we have the part whole model that looks a bit different. It's sort of turned on its side here. But don't worry about if you see a question that looks like this. It's no different. This is the whole number and these are the two parts. So our number is going to be 36. Alright? So we can partition this. Okay, to tens and ones. So we've got 6 ones and 3 tens. Now, if we already fill in one of the numbers, we need to try and work out what this missing number is. Alright? If we have the number 22, we need to look at how many tens and ones we've got over here and how many tens and ones we need for this part. So we need 2 tens and 2 ones. So let's move those. So I'll move 2 ones and then the 2 tens. So then we've worked out what's left. So we can put those over here. So we've got 4 ones, 1 10. It's 14. So 22 add 14 equals 36. Because part plus part equals whole. Next we just have another part whole model. And again it's just another way around, but remember this is the whole number, these are the two parts. Alright? So we have 7 ones and we have 5 tens. Now we have on this side 26 and we need to find this missing number. So we need to move 6 ones and we need to move 2 tens. Alright. We had one left over, so I've moved it over here, and we also had 3 tens. 3 tens and 1 1, 31. Part plus part is whole, so 26 add 31 equals 57.